Hey there. I know that dealing with the prior authorization process for medications like Buspirone HCL5 can feel overwhelming, almost like you're trying to find your way through a maze with no clear path. But for patients managing anxiety, getting this approval is crucial. It's not just about the paperwork. It's about making sure our patients can live their lives without unnecessary interruptions. Today, I want to take you through the steps to obtain prior authorization from Express Scripts for Buspirone HCL, so we can keep the focus where it belongs, on our patients' well-being. Express Scripts is one of the leading pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, in the U.S. They help manage medication coverage, but they also require prior authorization for some drugs, including Buspirone. For patients battling anxiety, Buspirone HCL5 can make all the difference. It offers a lower risk of dependency, which means it's a safer long-term option for many people. And when a patient finally finds something that works, we want to make sure they can keep it. To start the PA process, I used 𝗕𝗂𝗫𝗍𝗍. It's honestly a lifesaver. It walks you through submitting PA requests for different insurers, including Express Scripts, step by step. It's simple, and it integrates with electronic health records. So whether you're in a large practice or a small office, it just works. Accuracy is everything here. I mean, even a small typo, like getting a letter wrong in the patient's name or mixing up a number in the provider's NPI, can cause frustrating delays. So I double-checked everything, from patient ID to the provider's contact details, because I know that every day waiting for approval is a day that could add stress to the patient's life. Next, I made sure all the drug information was spot on. We requested 60 tablets of Buspirone HCL5 to be taken twice daily. Consistency is key. Anxiety can be unpredictable, but this medication, taken at the right dose, helps keep it manageable. I wanted to be sure that Express Scripts understood exactly what was needed. No room for errors. Then came the crucial part, explaining why Buspirone was the right choice for this patient. I used the ICD-10 code F40.9 to justify the need. I also explained the patient's history, how they'd tried other medications that didn't work or caused side effects. This wasn't just about a form. It was about telling the story of why this medication mattered for this patient. They were finally feeling stable on Buspirone, and I wanted Express Scripts to see that. Stability in anxiety treatment isn't just a word, it's a lifeline. Finally, I attached all the supporting documents, the prescription summary, the treatment notes. I double-checked everything one last time before hitting submit, because I know how important it is to get this right the first time. After submitting, I got a confirmation, and now it was just about waiting, but knowing that we did everything we could to help this patient stay on track. Prior authorizations can be exhausting, and it's easy to feel bogged down by all the paperwork. But at the end of the day, we do it because it's about people. It's about making sure that patients have what they need to live their lives without constant anxiety over their medication. And for healthcare providers, your time is precious. You need to be with your patients, not stuck behind a desk. That's where outsourcing to a company like Staffingly Inc. comes in. We take care of the administrative burden so you can focus on what really matters, your patients. If you're ready to free up your time and let someone else handle the paperwork, reach out to Staffingly Inc. We're here to help, so you can get back to doing what you do best, caring for your patients.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.